Hey everybody, Karen Baskett here. Nice and sweaty from another Broadway jazz class on Monday nights. During the summer, it is 7:45 to 8:45 Pacific Standard Time in the PM. And we've been working this month on some new choreography to Sammy Davis Jr.'s version of Too Darn Hot that can be found on YouTube. I am going to show it to you, and then if you'd like to learn it in detail, you should come to class. Again, Monday night, 7:45 p.m. To 8:45 p.m., and you can find us on exitspacedance.com, and these classes are offered on Zoom. So I'm going to show it to you. Here we go. You hold for 2/8, I believe.
It's too darn hot. It is too darn hot. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight. Refill the cup with my baby tonight. I'd like to sup with my baby tonight. Refill the cup with my baby tonight. But I ain't hot to my baby tonight, 'cause it's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot.
I'll see you in class next Monday.